Moo Shu Shrimp is inspired by Moo Shu pork.
Okay.
I think I invented it, maybe. And it's pretty much like a Chinese burrito.
Oh, okay. Good analogy there.
So I'm putting in some peanut oil,
Okay.
about a tablespoon. I'm going to stir fry half of my vegetables. Go ahead and get those going. I'm going to put the ones that take the longest to stir fry in first.
Yeah. Now, do you use peanut oil for a specific reason?
It has a good, strong heat point. Carrots take the longest to cook, and then I'm thinking the peppers are probably next.
Okay.
And then I'm going to put in half of these mushrooms.
Okay.
I just don't want to overcrowd it because it's not going to cook up right if I overcrowd it. So.
Yeah, because you can put too much in the pan. Is that right? You can have
That's right.
Yeah.
And it just kind of gets mushy if that happens.
Oh, okay.
So I want it
Good to know.
Nice and crisp. I want it to cook up pretty fast. So, okay. So while I'm doing this process, I want you to make the sauces. We're
Okay.
gonna have two sauces.
Okay.
For this recipe. So the first one is a hoisin sauce. You need 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce.
Okay.
Yes. So that's
Oh, it's
2
thick.
tablespoons. It's nice and thick. It's sort of like an Asian barbecue sauce. What we do need 3 tablespoons of is soy sauce. A tablespoon of sesame oil. Now that's a dark sesame oil.
Yeah.
So it just has a really nice, rich, and nutty flavor. Ginger, garlic, and some minced green onion.
Okay.
So that'll be really my good seasonings. I have a tablespoon of each of those.
Okay.
And then, again, I'm going to start with my carrots because they take longer to cook.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm going to also get you to make me a shrimp glaze. So this one's going to also have hoisin sauce.
Okay.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of the hoisin.
That's
Hoisin, not poison.
2 tablespoons. You need a tablespoon of rice vinegar.
Okay. Rice
And that's
vinegar.
typically the vinegar that's used in a lot of Asian cooking.
Yeah.
The rice vinegar.
Rice.
And a half of a tablespoon of soy sauce.
Okay.
And I've also got some ginger there. 2 tablespoons of ginger that go in there.
Okay.
And then 2 green onions that I thinly sliced. Those will go
Oh,
in there
okay.
too. So that'll finish it off.
All right.
My cabbage. This is Napa cabbage. I have 8 cups of vegetables total.
Okay.
That I've cut up, and you can use really any vegetables that you like. But typically with the Moo Shu, traditionally it does have some cabbage, some mushrooms,
Okay.
a lot of times carrots.
Now what's sitting up front? There's something yellow up front.
Oh, that's an egg.
Oh, okay.
So
That's the egg for later.
that's the egg that will make the yellow color for the
Okay.
Moo Shu.
Need a Moo Shu.
And that's just going to pull everything together.
Okay.
Getting that heated up really high, just like the wok. And I've got a mixture here of some sugar, some salt, and some pepper flakes.
Okay.
So the sugar is going to help it to caramelize and get brown.
Okay. Okay.
Now you can pour that in.
Pour this in. On top of everything.
On top of everything.
There you go, boys. Take a bath.
There it is. This is our hoisin glazed shrimp. So, just like when you're making a Mexican burrito, that same process.
Okay.
Veg down the middle. Now we got our protein.
Shrimp
we'll
on
do-
top.
We'll do a row of shrimp. Some people like more hoisin sauce, but I'll just let you try it.
Yeah, I'll just
you
try
can always
that.
add more. So fold it over once, tuck that back end up, and fold it over again. There it is.
There it is. Beauty most. Do I need to go for it?
I think you should. You should give
Should
your
go for
opinion, Since,
I see a- I
you're
see
the
a shrimp
master taster.
Master taster. And that is fabulous.
Hey, well, I'm glad that you like it. I'm glad that we're filming this later in the day because I think we've got dinner.
We got dinner, man.
We
This
are
is
good.
it. This is it. It is so good. And hoisin sauce has a nice flavor to it. And it really does. It's got like a little spice, but nothing crazy.
Right. It's not too much. It's pretty smooth.
Yeah, pretty smooth.
So, well, I'm glad you liked the recipe, Eric.
Thank you.
And I hope you try the recipe and enjoy.